Dates contain various compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some of the key components include 1. Polyphenols. Dates are rich in polyphenols, which are plant-based compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. 2. Flavonoids. Flavonoids, a subgroup of polyphenols, are present in dates and have been associated with anti-inflammatory benefits. They may contribute to reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. 3. Carotenoids. Carotenoids, including beta-carotene, are found in dates and have antioxidant properties. These compounds play a role in neutralizing oxidative stress and inflammation. 4. Tannins. Tannins present in dates exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help modulate the immune response and reduce inflammation in the body. 5. Vitamin C. Although present in smaller amounts, dates contain vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Vitamin C contributes to combating inflammation and supporting the immune system. Health benefits of dates. 1. Nutrient-rich powerhouse. Dates are a nutrient-dense fruit, packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and fiber. 2. Natural sweetener alternative. Dates offer a natural sweetness, making them a healthier alternative to refined sugars in various culinary applications. 3. Digestive health support. The high fiber content in dates promotes digestive health, aiding in regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 4. Heart health benefits. Studies suggest that regular consumption of dates may contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. 5. Rich in antioxidants. Dates are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body and may contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 6. Natural energy boost. The high natural sugar content in dates provides a quick and sustained energy boost, making them an excellent snack for an energy pick-me-up. 7. Bone health support. Dates contain minerals like phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, contributing to bone health and may help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. My dear viewers, thank you a lot for watching my videos. If like my videos, please subscribe and share my channel. Please, Allah always keeps you all happiest in your life with your loving family and parents. Ameen. My dear viewers, take care of yourself.